What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts. And today we gon' be watching. Damn, I got a lot of energy coming from that trip. Daggone, we're watching Chris Next Door, aka The Next Show. Got the Agent Zero breakdown of after opening up after jail. But if you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I said like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I said like, subscribe, turn on. But let's go ahead and get into this video. Gotta put this in HD.
The worst channel on the platform.
The Neon Classics presents the Minor.
If you're not following the IG is right here. Let me repeat, the IG is right here. So if you're not following on the IG, you need to follow it. Follow the IG plus subscribe to my YouTube channel.
To Minority Podcast. Featuring
my RL channel, my real life channel. Let's put it like that. This about to be lit.
It's the NXT show.
NXT.
Damn! Wow, it's beautiful in here. Hey, man.
W Chris. And the reason why I want to say W Chris, I wanted to pause right here because I feel like I want to give Chris, I say this all the time, Chris a big shout out. He's from the DMV, as y'all already know. I'm from the DMV. I want to give him a big shout out. Like, he doing big things. He on Twitch now doing good ass content. My man rapping is like that. You know, you wouldn't even tell you from the DMV the way he rap. But yeah, shout out to Chris, man. Shout out to him.
Agent, man, we so happy to have you here, bro.
Yeah, this set looks incredible, man.
Yeah, so
I'm proud of you.
So, Toronto.
Beautiful ass city, man. Beautiful. What about it though?
Like, how is it growing up in Toronto and stuff, man?
See, I didn't really grow up in Toronto. I
Oh.
was born in Toronto for like 9 years,
Oh, okay.
but I grew up in Markham. It's like north of Toronto.
Wow, that's fucking amazing.
Thanks, man.
That's fucking amazing, man. Yo, question.
Yeah.
Yo, tell us about your 12th channel.
Oh yeah, so I made this new channel where I'm drinking tea with the elderly, and they bestow wisdom upon the viewers.
I don't care if you go to college. I don't care what you want to do. What I do care about is I want you to find something that you're passionate about.
Yeah.
Something that you love. If it's pottery, then get busy.
So it's like you can learn so much from talking to who? The people who have the most experience. And what do they love the most? Tea.
Why do you keep making channels?
Huh?
Why do you keep making channels?
I just come up with I'm like y'all. Like you guys, how many ideas do you have a day? A lot of ideas. And what if you just executed on all your ideas? You would have 12 channels.
You have anything in the works?
Oh yeah, I got 3 more channels coming up. 3 more channels coming up. I can't speak on them yet. I'm hiring right now for them, actually. I got.
Yo, Agent do got a lot of channel. That's a channel. A lot of channels. That's crazy but true.
A lot. I actually hold the record, actually, for the most silver plaques for black YouTubers from Toronto.
Oh,
I know.
this nigga. That's
You
fire.
really putting on for man. You putting on for your city.
Thanks,
man.
I
That's
appreciate
amazing.
that, man. Appreciate that.
Yo, who's that? Who's that?
Yo, y'all expecting somebody?
No.
Is somebody outside, like, smooth and type walkie,
Hold on, agent. Just wait right there.
What the?
Open the door.
Is
Hey, how boy doing?
Bruce drop him off.
It been nice, boy. It been nice as hell. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Is that Bruce drop him off?
Just be
What's that?
cool. What's up, bro? You trying to sell us something?
You know what I'm saying? Doubt.
Oh, that's John. That's John. That's John. That's John.
Okay. Got a little something to sell y'all, bro. Like,
What you trying to
it's
sell?
cold out here, bro. Nah, that y'all ain't good for that. I walk here, you know that? So I ain't taking no for answers. So like, I got some shit I'm trying to sell y'all.
Bruce
like,
don't have face for that when he got on
I like, look at me, bro. I'm a gummy bear, man. Trying to sell you that gas, man. Edible, man. Get you high here, man. That nigga like relaxation? Doubt. Okay.
He took some dab.
Like, no, it's extra straight though. Doubt.
Alright, bro.
You sure I'm gonna come in?
Nah.
They sure I think bring some water.
Make sure he locked that for real.
No, right now, what's up?
You okay? Like mentally, bro? Chris, you can talk to me now. Well, you okay mentally, Chris? You can open up. Well, what's going on, man? Talk to me. Like, what's been going on in your brain, Chris? Open up, man. We're here for you. We fucking love you, man.
Fucking love you, man.
On this beautiful ass set, it looks so pretty. Just like you.
You was in jail, bro. I was outside.
Capaholics for real. Yo.
I was outside.
No, Chris.
Capaholics mixtape, space ass.
This ain't right.
They gotta have a traffic ticket.
Chris, come here, man. Oh, listen. Come here, Chris. Come here, just hug it out. Appreciate you. Yeah, not many people was out there waiting for me. It was like you, Waleed, and like thousands of other people, but I really appreciated you the most. It was tough in jail. I bent over to pick up my food and 6 guys were staring at me. One of them said, yeah.
Did they try you?
They tried me.
They tried you?
I don't know if I'm ready to talk about it, if I'm being honest. It was so traumatic. But like, I wasn't even supposed to be there. That's the fucked up part, is I wasn't even supposed to be there. And the first time everybody saw me, they were all saying my YouTube intro.
What's your intro?
Like my OG intro from 2013.
What is it?
Hey guys, it's the double agent you can trust, and you can call me Agent Zero.
Yo, you good, bro. Like, bro.
No, I'm not gonna
They
fucking
shouldn't
cry
do
on
that to
camera,
you.
bro. Not
Nah,
gonna fucking
bro.
cry on camera. Cut this shit off, bro.
The TheNxtShow. We'll be right back. Now a word from our sponsors.
Yo, this Teddy Chunks giving you something new and revolutionary. From the same company that brought you the anti-chick. You got something new for you. Fat nigga rag. Fat niggas tired of sweating all damn day. Going up the stairs, down the stairs. Eating fat motherfuckers. But no more sweat babies. Fucking head, you fat motherfucker. Just like that, your fat ass forehead is dry. You also got the light skinned nigga rag, the dark skinned nigga rag, the nigga that living at his mama house nigga rag. Also that nigga who owe me money. Nigga, I need my money, but I got you too, nigga. I got all the rags for you niggas. We got these cotton fibers that we were able to get back in the slave days when they was sweating in them damn fields, nigga. Just like that. Dry ass forehead in a hot ass summer day in South Carolina.
No, he
master
didn't.
whipping on your back, nigga. You can't get more sweaty than that. And if you niggas don't trust me, I got some fat celebrities for you, dog. Don't worry about it. We got Cedric Entertainment, Drewski, and that fat nigga Lizzo. All of them use this fat nigga rag every single
fat nigga
time,
Lizzo.
and they guarantee it. Look at all that sweat picked up from all those real nigga cotton fibers. I guarantee you niggas sweating no more.
Fat nigga rags are not supplements for weight loss. When used more than twice a day, side effects may include fatigue, palpitations, flushing, edema, dizziness, nausea, abdominal pain, somnolence, and death. Thank you to the Johnson, Georgia Cotton Fiber Plantation for sponsoring this video.
Fat boy.
Give me a number 9, just like his.
Are you smarter than the hood nigga?
Hi, welcome to Are You Smarter Than a Hood Nigga? Let's meet our contestants.
Hey, I'm Black Savage, and I'm from the East. I'm from East Atlanta.
My name is Agent Zero. I'm from the Pearly Gates.
First question. You've been saving up for years. Do you A, buy a Hellcat, or B, a house?
I'm
Hellcat.
about Hellcat.
I knew he was gonna
And
say
the
that.
correct answer is a fucking Hellcat. What other answer was it?
You have to save up years to buy something. If you have to save up years, you should not be getting a Hellcat.
Who gives a fuck? I get money. I want a Hellcat. Fuck the crib.
Man.
And that's how people really think.
Second question. Uno or shooting dice?
Shooting dice.
Shooting dice.
Shooting dice.
Fucking idiot.
You just got paid, and after paying all your bills, you have $100 left. Do you A, give it to your kids, or B, go to the club with it?
Go to the club with it. I know they was
I'm
gonna.
going to the club.
I know that's the answer.
Really?
Is it-
Yes.
You have 100.
This how it really be. These questions is crazy but true. Like I know they're trying to be funny, but that's why I'm not laughing because this shit is real. To be honest. That's exactly how they think. That's how people go out around the world.
What
What
you
you
going to
doing?
the club? I'm gonna give it to my fucking kids.
Man, fuck them kids, bro. Let
Yeah,
them
me.
get their own job, get their own shit.
They're kids.
Exactly what they
Fuck
want.
them, bro.
There's child
To
labor
the
laws.
club, bro.
The correct answer is
I know. Go to the club.
Go to the club.
I fucking knew it.
He's I fucking knew it.
Yeah.
Yeah, what a show.
Larry Bird or Magic Johnson?
If everyone else start running, what do you do as well?
O.J. Simpson. Home Alone. Ah, that's obvious. It's Hannah
If a
Montana.
nigga got a bitch, how many niggas do a bitch got?
Bill Cosby. Nas. The couch with the plastic on it.
Way up. That's Zac Efron. I got this in the bag. Yes, sir. Asparagus.
Asparagus.
He was like,
Who is the villain of The Best Man?
R.I.P. Kobe.
Correct.
Before I let go, Frankie Beverly be amazing.
Savage. Of course, that's the right answer, man.
Man. Ah, Airbud, baby. Yes, sir. Yeah. Right?
That nigga wrong as shit.
what the? Hey, Savage, tell his ass the right answer.
Mac and cheese and yams.
There we go, nigga. There we go. Hey, Savage. Hey, Savage.
Savage.
Put a fork
Put a fork in this nigga,
Put
man.
a fork in this nigga, man.
Spin the block on them fuck niggas.
Correct.
Yeah! Yeah, nigga! Yeah! Yeah!
1,000 to 1.
All right, guys. The current score is 1,000 to 0. This isn't really as competitive as we thought it was going to be. But it's okay because we have a bonus question. One question that is worth 1,001 points. Okay?
Okay.
The final question is, if you go to a buffet with your mom, how old do you tell the workplace you are? 12 years or younger? Your age? Or a teenager?
Mm. Savage, because you are winning, you actually get to answer the question first.
For sure. Shit. I'm gonna tell him my age. Straight up.
12 and younger. Right?
Oh, wait, huh?
Because you get it for free. It's 12 and younger. Right?
Oh, shit. Oh, that's
Why
actually...
you look like
That's
that?
actually the right answer.
Next time. Hey, thank you so much for having me. Thank you so much.
So you get a new AMG. What
the fuck, bro?
It's black.
Oh,
And you get $400,000 in cash.
Now back to your regularly scheduled program.
Oh shit!
squad back with the TheNxtShow. We got Agent on the show right now.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
All right, cut the cap. Sell me this pen.
I know
Sell me
he.
the pen, Chris.
I got some shit I'm trying to sell y'all. Like, look at you, man. I'm a billionaire, man.
You should hire him, man.
Down.
Why do you think about all that?
Is there anyone out there who still isn't clear about what doing does? This is your brain. This is your brain on it.
Thank you to the 80s for sponsoring this video.
Sell me the fucking pen.
I don't
Give it
know.
back. Sell me the pen, Justin.
What am I supposed to do?
You guys are fucking failures. Give me that fucking shit.
Are you sell me the pen then?
No, fuck you, man.
You think it was Susan that gave you the fucking yellow mark?
The last episode. I'm tired of people playing with me like I'm not fucking him. I don't know if this jail shit changed me, but you get me fucking tight, Chris. It's not even just you. I got beef with the Joe Rogan Experience, Impulsive, the Nelk Podcast. Fuck it, Joe Budden could catch it. So I want you to pay close attention. I'm not gonna say it twice. I want you to write your name on this paper for me, sign the dotted lines. I'm taking 90% of all your revenue. I mean all your fucking revenue. You don't have an option.
What if I
You don't know who the fuck I am, Chris! I pay my employees $20,000 an hour. Sign the fucking paper, Chris! I'm gonna get you right. Just sign the fucking paper, man.
Let me fuck, baby, I don't wanna hose.
Yo, Justin, are you okay? I did not expect to hit the
Please don't kill my vibe, no, please don't throw me off. If you hold me down, I might just say the sauce. Pull 4 or 5, I keep on pulling up. She gon' play my song, then she gon' drop her jaw. Bring it down and roll it up, but don't forget to crunch. I ain't take the drink to Poland, but I took it across the country. I've been living for myself.
Welcome to the TheNxtShow!
That may be the next episode.
Surprise episode of Eugene.
Fucking tight name. Dingleberry.
Yeah, Dingleberry.
Pulling out, I'm mixing my bag, the colors in my cup.
Yep, I guess that's it, y'all. Y'all go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I'll see you on the next video.